Hello everyone, welcome to Focal Point. This question was asked in GATE 2019. So let's see what this is saying. This is saying that consider the following C function. So this convert function is given to us, and this is asking that which one of the following will be happening when the function convert is called with any positive integer n. Okay, so we have taken n as 4. We can take it because this is a positive number, and test what is happening in this convert. Okay, so we have called this is our stack area, and we have called our convert 4. So n value will be 4 in here. Now this condition is false, and now this else condition will be executed in here. First we need to again call convert function with the n by 2, that is 2. Okay, so this c2 is called again. Now what we are going to do, this n will be 2 in here, and this condition is false, and this else will be executed. So our convert c by n by 2 is called again. So this value will be 1 now. So n is 1 in here. Okay, and what is happening in here, this n is 1, this condition is false, so this else condition will be executed. Again what we are going to do, we are again going to call our 1 by 2. Now this is integer value, and that's why c0 will be called in here. Now n is equals to 0. Again what is happening in here, this condition is false, so else is executed. Again what we are going to do, we are going to call our c0 function, and this n is equals to 0. Again this condition is false, and again we are going to call our c0 function. So now this c0 function will keep on calling. Okay, so this will not execute this printf line, so this will not print anything, and this will keep on calling. So this will be executing for infinite times. Okay, so the answer is it will not print anything, and it will not terminate. Okay, so this will not print anything, that is absolutely fine, but this will not terminate, that is not correct in the practical sense, because it will keep on calling this, and at one time this stack will be completely full, and then this will forcefully terminate. So abnormally, so it will terminate, but abnormally after a long time it will terminate. It will not terminate, that is not true, because it will not going to execute for infinite time, but it will terminate when this stack area will be full, and that's why we have to say that this will terminate, but abnormally terminated. Okay, so this D will be correct answer of it, but this will not terminate. This is theoretically true, this will not terminate, but in the practical sense this will terminate abnormally when this stack area will be full. Okay, so this D should be the correct answer of it.